Welcome back, guys, to another video. Let's talk about Tesla. We got a lot of brand new stuff coming in, especially in the autopilot sector. Ride-hailing could be extremely profitable for this electric car company. We will be talking about full autonomy, the Robo Taxis, ride-hail. On top of that, a brand new subscription service in the world of Tesla's autopilot system that might make it some money. I will be getting to some really crazy businesses. Some people on different forums have been saying this, and it really gets gears turning. So at this current moment, there is an ARK Invest analyst, Tasha Keeney, actually joined Yahoo Finance and talked about Tesla and how ride-hailing could be extremely profitable for Musk. And one of the biggest things about ride-hail isn't that it's just like another Uber or Lyft company. It's because the cars drive by themselves. Now, Musk has promised that by the end of 2020, we should be seeing some sort of a Robo Taxi network. Obviously, there were a ton of hurdles. He couldn't really do it, so we could be seeing 2021. Now, Musk actually came out, I think he knows, and said that he promises full autonomy on the Tesla vehicles for 2021. That's believable, especially right now, this second. Some individuals with the Tesla vehicles have the full self-driving beta software. And this full self-driving beta software, you could drive in major cities, major highways. You could transition from small towns, small roads to highways with a click of a button. Hands-free, and it's pretty nice. Now, you obviously got to be super alert, and most people don't run into trouble. The only video on Twitter I saw where it was kind of iffy was someone actually almost hit a parked car because the turn lane in this California street was really weird. So that vehicle, the Tesla, was a little bit confused. But other than that, that was the only thing that was a little bit scary about the FSD beta. Now, Tesla is also rolling out updates every 5 to 10 days to help with that. So I don't see anything bad with the FSD beta. I think with every couple of weeks and every single major update and the more miles Tesla accumulates, the car will get better and better. If you bought the full self-driving beta and you're wondering, when can I get the software? It will be coming out to all the other consumers around January or February of next year because Musk wants to make sure that the FSD beta is good enough before a wider release. So get ready. This is going to be something that's after Christmas. So you're not going to be getting this like on Christmas Day. It's going to be the wider full self-driving beta release. Now, the ARK Invest analyst has been saying that we could be seeing robo-taxis really increasing Tesla's market cap. Now, the robo-taxi network is really appealing and could be coming late 2021 or early 2022. It's because you could buy a $48,000 Tesla with the autopilot, and instead of just buying it, driving it and then parking it in a parking lot or parking garage for like the next 8 to 10 hours while you work, you could tell your car to go out, pick up passengers, and make some side money on the side. Some people have been saying that you can make roughly $10,000 to $20,000 per year by having a robotaxi. And if that's true, I could pay off my car simply with a robotaxi network in just less than 2 years. And by the way, Tesla takes a small cut when you use the robotaxi network, and that also makes the company some money. Of course, you as a consumer make even more if you pick up more and more passengers. We're getting a ton of these robotaxi companies coming out. You got AutoX in China. It's backed by Alibaba. AutoX already has 20 cars driving fully autonomously, no driver, in the tech capital of Shenzhen, China. So that's pretty big. You have Baidu that just recently got permission from the Chinese government to launch 5 fully autonomous vehicles on the road in China. Baidu and Apollo are working on that. Here in the US, we don't really hear too much about this sort of a fully autonomous robotaxi except Tesla. Tesla is still trying to get regulatory approvals, and they're still trying to perfect their autopilot first before launching the cars on the road. If we see full autonomy maybe next year by Q2, we could be seeing 2021 Q3, where the vehicles will be going through the registration process. Maybe only some specific cities or some individuals are allowed to have a robotaxi network. Not everyone. It's very similar to how right now, not everyone can get the FSD beta software release. But next couple of months, we should be seeing a wider release. So this robotaxi will be really big. I think the next major milestone for Tesla to really hit the $1 trillion mark is the robotaxis. At this current moment, the stock price is kind of flattening out. It went from like 400 to almost $700. The only way for it to keep going up is if Tesla launches the Robo Taxi network as soon as it can. And with this Robo Taxi network coming out, more individuals will be buying the cars. On top of that, we should be seeing people getting really excited for the full self-driving software monthly subscription in early 2021. So this is pretty big as well, especially when the autopilot rolls out. Not everyone wants to be spending $10,000 right away on the FSD beta. Maybe if you're just simply leasing the vehicle, you don't actually want to buy it, you just want to lease the software. Now, Musk has said that if you're buying your own car, it's actually more financially smart to just purchase the FSD software right away. They increase the price every several months because they keep adding new things to it. They recently just raised it from $8,000 to $10,000, and they most likely will raise it from $10,000 to $12,000 very soon. It's kind of painful, but that's just how it is. They do spend a lot of time and money on it, so I kind of get the idea why they have to keep raising the price. But imagine having a monthly subscription of the full self-driving beta software, and you lease a Tesla car, and you also, rent it out as a robo taxi. That's a really smart move. Some people are thinking about that, and you gotta subtract the difference. Let's say leasing it out with the robo taxi costs roughly maybe $700 per month. If you make $2,000 per month from the robo taxi network, you probably make $1,000 to $1,300 in net profits. Some people are honestly thinking about that, and that's a pretty big deal. Now, Musk has also said that only one individual can use the robotaxi network. So after that, things get a little bit iffy. Let's just see what happens. I think it's a pretty smart idea launching this monthly subscription, especially how people can now subscribe to the FSD beta for 1 month, test it out. If they don't like it, they could just cancel it. Or maybe if you're going somewhere that you've never went through to and you need the FSD to definitely navigate around different roads, maybe on the vacation summers or maybe during the fall when you're visiting other relatives in different states, you may want to just get FSD for just 1 month. So there's different options. It's honestly a pretty nice thing that Tesla is launching this subscription in early 2021. On top of that, we should be seeing Tesla launching more vehicles. Over the next 3 years, they plan to be releasing a $25,000 car. Now, our Invest analyst has also said that Tesla could be getting EVs to roughly 40 million unit sales. And that's the prediction they're making in 2025. This year, we should be seeing roughly 500,000 sales. Next year, 2021, roughly 1 million sales. But after that, we should be seeing a massive scale up to 40 million units. 40 million units for 2025 might sound a little bit insane, but I feel like it might be possible due to the fact that you do have Tesla sending out the Berlin Gigafactory, the Shanghai Gigafactory 2, the Indonesia Gigafactory, Austin, for example. And we also got Great Britain sending a pitch to Elon Musk saying, hey, come over and build a Gigafactory in our location. So it's pretty big. We could be seeing Tesla having a massive scale up. And if you're skeptical of what ARK Invest is saying, keep in mind that ARK has never really been wrong about Tesla in the past 2 years, have always nailed it pretty well. So I trust what they say. 40 million car deliveries in 2025. That is insane. Thanks for watching.